In this video, I'll be showing you what to do if the Add Friend button is not showing up on Facebook. So this is due to a setting that the person you're trying to add has on, which is here. You go to Settings and Privacy, Settings, and if you go to how people find you and contact you, and who can send you friend requests, it is likely they have it set to friends of friends. So this means you aren't friends with any of their friends, and you can try adding their friends first. Alternatively, you can try contacting this person on other social medias and asking them to add you instead. There is no real solution to this problem without contacting the person directly, but this is the next best alternative. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please drop us a like, leave us a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Bye!